Okay, this is actually just calculator practice. But let's think about this. Remember, logs are base 10. Now, log to base 10 of 10 is 1, okay, because 10 to the power 1 is 10. Log to base 10 of 100 is 2. So because 40 lies in between 10 and 100, the answer must be between 1 and 2. So 1 point something, and that's without using my calculator, but again, go ahead and use your calculator, okay? Right, how about log of 0.6? Okay, so let's have a look. Again, so log to base 10 of 10 is 1. Log to base 10 of 1 is 0. Okay, remember that? By the way, you cannot do that. Okay, just try it, it won't work. You can't log a 0. 10 to the power what gives you 0? Remember, 10 to the power 0 gives you 1. Okay, it's not going to work, just try it. Okay, so, cross that off. So if you think about it, I'm actually going less than this, okay? I'm going less than 1. So this must be a negative answer. And I think I showed you before, when you log a fraction, you're going to get a negative answer. Again, look back at previous videos. So I don't know what it is, but you should get a negative answer. Now then, because, here we go, I said to you, you can't log 0. Well, you certainly can't log negative 7. You're going to get an error. Because think about it like this, okay? Log to base 10 of negative 7 is what? So 10 to the power what is going to give you negative 7? Well, you won't get that because think about it. If this is, let's say I put negative 2 there, well, that's what positive 100th. If I raise anything to a negative exponent, I'm just going to get a fraction. I won't get a negative answer, okay? So again, a negative exponent will give me a fraction. It won't give me a negative answer. And the reason is if you go back to the graph, okay, the graph of logs, remember this? The graph of logs. Look at the domain. It is 0 to infinity, okay? There's nothing here that I can log. So this, okay, and this, remember I can't log a 0 because, again, I can't go over here, okay? So just be aware of little things like that. I mean, just try it in your calculator. It doesn't work. You can log these, okay? Remember, you're going to get something for that. You're going to get a negative for this one, a positive for that one, but you cannot log 0 or negatives.